Hey everyone, today I am talking about RAMM, the next big evolution in Web3 fashion. RAMM is a Web3 powered platform respecting luxury fashion through AI, commerce, and digital ownership. From AI driving product discovery to immersive fashion experience, RAM bearings, characters, burns, and user folder in fashion fantastic ecosystem. It balances luxury fashion, blockchain backed identity, and powerful AI tools to create the future of digital commerce. The RAMM community is going fast fight with characters, fashion lovers, and Web3 investors. Seek out RAMM and join the movement. Bye bye, all my friends.